Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the latest and greatest products to help you make informed purchasing decisions. Today, we're talking about the best Honeywell HEPA Air Purifier Filter R, a high-performance filter designed for specific Honeywell air purifiers. If you want to improve your home's air quality, stay tuned to find out why this filter is an essential upgrade for your air purifier. First, let's dive into the key features. This Honeywell HEPA Air Purifier Filter R captures an impressive 99.97% of airborne allergens and particles, including dust, pollen, pet dander, dust mite debris, and even smoke. Whether you suffer from allergies or live in an area prone to wildfire smoke, this filter is up for the task. It's designed to tackle the smallest particles as small as 0.3 microns, ensuring your air is as clean as possible. Next, let's talk about compatibility. It's always recommended to use genuine Honeywell filters because, while other compatible filters may work, they are not guaranteed to deliver the same high performance and efficiency as the original. Speaking of performance, the Honeywell HEPA filter circulates the air in your room up to 4.8 times an hour, depending on your room size and the air purifier's settings. This means cleaner, fresher air for your home or office, which is especially important if you're sensitive to pollutants or have pets. In terms of maintenance, Honeywell recommends replacing the filter once a year to maintain optimal performance. With this 3-pack, you're set for the year, making it a convenient and cost-effective solution to improve your home's air quality. Plus, it's a great value for the price, ensuring you get the best possible results without breaking the bank. The bottom line is that the Honeywell HEPA Air Purifier Filter R is a top-tier product for anyone serious about improving the air they breathe. Whether it's for seasonal allergens, pet dander, or pollution from smoke, this filter is a must-have. For those of you who already own a compatible Honeywell air purifier, upgrading to this genuine filter will provide cleaner air and better overall performance. So, if you're looking to improve the air quality in your home or office, make sure you choose the best Honeywell HEPA Air Purifier Filter R. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews on the best products out there.